Welcome to our quick tutorial. The workshop today is going to be hosted on the U.S. National Science Foundation's Zoom platform. This is a FedRAMP authorized platform that includes many security and privacy features not found in the commercially available version of Zoom. To be able to join the meeting, make sure that you open the Zoom desktop client or your Zoom app, click Join Meeting, or sign in to Zoom and then click Join. Enter the meeting ID number and your display name. We would like to request that you enter a display name the way you would like to be called. Select if you would like to connect your audio and your video. When you're in the meeting, we would like you to take a minute to locate your tools. These can be found on the bottom of your screen. You're going to be able to communicate with us in various ways. You can unmute your microphone and speak to us, start or stop your video. You can also chat with us, with the host as well as all of the participants using the chat function. When you click on participants, you will be able to see a whole list of the attendees at the meeting. And this pop-up window is also going to display the nonverbal communication tools for you. So you're going to be able to indicate that you would like to speak by raising your hand. Click on yes, no, go slower, go faster, or indicate if you have stepped away for a second. Please make sure that you can locate all of these tools. Practice muting and unmuting your microphone. Turn on or off your camera. View the participant list. View the nonverbal communication tools to raise a virtual hand. And change your screen name. During the workshop, we are also going to have small group discussions in breakout rooms. When it's time to join a breakout room, you will see a pop-up window in the middle of your screen inviting you to the breakout room. Please click Join Breakout Room when you see this. You will still have full access to the controls. You can ask for help while in these breakout rooms and call for the host. To do so, click Ask for Help in the meeting controls and confirm that you would like to ask for assistance from the host. That will invite the host to join you in the breakout room. During these small group discussions, we are going to use the whiteboard to take notes. The moderator in your room is going to share a whiteboard, which is under the share screen settings, and you will have to locate your Annotate Tools menu. While viewing a whiteboard, click View Options and then Annotate at the top. The annotation tools that you will see include text, draw, stamp. You can use the mouse function to deactivate annotation tools and switch to your mouse pointer. You can use text to insert text, draw to insert lines, arrows, and shapes. Highlight an area of the shared screen or whiteboard, and use stamps to insert predefined icons like a check mark or a star. While you are using the Annotate Tools menu in a small group, you will still have access to the Webinar Room menu. You can mute and unmute yourself, stop your video. When it is time to leave the breakout room, the host will notify you. There will be an additional minute to finish up the conversations before the host closes the rooms. Make sure to click Leave Breakout Room to get back into the main session. You will be able to log back into the meeting anytime using the same link. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact the organizer. Thank you for your attention and have a great meeting.